In the world of web development, choosing the right language can make all the difference. Elixir is a language that's been making waves. It offers a unique blend of power and elegance. Elixir is a functional, concurrent, and dynamic programming language. This means it's great at handling lots of tasks at the same time. Elixir runs on the Erlang VM, known as Beam, which is renowned for its reliability. This makes it perfect for building applications that are both scalable and maintainable. Elixir's syntax is clear and concise, making it a joy to write and read, but don't let its elegance fool you. Underneath lies a powerful engine capable of handling massive amounts of traffic. Whether you're building a chat application, a real-time dashboard, or a complex distributed system, Elixir provides the tools and abstractions you need to succeed. When it comes to building web applications that can handle a lot of users and data, Elixir truly shines. Its secret weapon is concurrency. Imagine a busy restaurant kitchen. Concurrency is like having multiple chefs working simultaneously, each focused on their task. In Elixir, these chefs are lightweight processes called actors. Actors can communicate with each other, share data, and work together to get things done quickly and efficiently. But what happens if one of our chefs spills the soup? In a traditional kitchen, this could be a disaster. But Elixir is built differently. It embraces the idea of fault tolerance. If one process crashes, it doesn't bring down the whole system. Instead, the Erlang VM gracefully handles the failure, isolates the problem, and keeps the rest of the application running smoothly. Elixir's ability to handle concurrency and fault tolerance makes it a natural fit for real-time applications. One shining example is Discord, the popular chat platform used by millions of gamers worldwide. Discord relies on Elixir to handle its massive scale, managing millions of simultaneous connections with ease. Imagine a stadium full of people all chatting at the same time. That's the kind of real-time communication Elixir excels at. But it's not just about chat. Elixir powers a wide range of real-time applications, from collaborative tools that allow teams to work together seamlessly to live dashboards that provide up-to-the-second insights. Its ability to handle high concurrency, low latency, and fault tolerance makes it the go-to choice for developers building the next generation of real-time experiences. Elixir is more than just a programming language. It's a vibrant and growing community of passionate developers who are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your journey, there's a place for you in the Elixir ecosystem. The language is known for its excellent documentation, helpful community forums, and abundance of learning resources. So why not give Elixir a try? Its unique combination of scalability, fault tolerance, and developer friendliness makes it a compelling choice for any web development project. Explore the world of Elixir and discover the joy of building robust, concurrent, and truly scalable web applications.